Passion fruit is one of my all-time favourite ingredients and a fruit I grow at home. Paired with this syrupy pudding, it has to be one of the easiest and tastiest desserts you can have.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, into a large bowl, add the superfine sugar or caster sugar, the eggs, and then whisk well until pale and creamy. Then add the melted butter and whisk that in as well. Now add the vanilla extract and self-raising flour. If you can't find self-raising flour, just use normal flour with baking powder added to it. Incorporate the flour well until you have a smooth cake batter consistency, and then pour the batter into a greased pie dish. For the other part of the dish, into a bowl, add the fresh passion fruit. You can use canned if you wish, but the flavour just isn't the same. Scoop out the flesh, place into a bowl, and then add caster or superfine sugar, and finally boiling water. This syrup is going to make the cake almost like a self-saucing pudding, and it will be really moist. Using a soup ladle, gradually and carefully add the mixture over the top of the batter until all the juice is gone. Then simply place into the oven 180 degrees C or 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top feels slightly firm. To serve, scoop out the pudding and eat with cream drizzled over the top with extra passion fruit pulp. It is such a wonderful dessert the whole family will enjoy that takes hardly any effort or time to make, and one they won't soon forget.